Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Litecoin is doing today. So, excuse me, looking at the daily chart, guys. So the fibs haven't changed very much from last time. I mean, we haven't had any massive rallies, so I'm still using mainly the fibs from February 2013 of 2020 to March 13th low. So that being said, guys, this is one of the ones that I wasn't paying attention, and look what happened. This was a very good entry here, a few nights ago, October 9, I think. We were above the 200-day moving average, above the 20-day moving average, above the 38% retracement fib. I mean, that was calling my name, and because I wasn't paying attention, I missed that opportunity. But it's okay, guys. We'll find another opportunity here to make some shackles. And by the way, guys, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you're going to help out the channel reach 7 billion people. I mean, we're here to make some shackles, and I said many years ago to the guy that trained me, if I consistently make some shackles for many years, I was going to give back to the community by teaching someone like they did, and here I am with a YouTube channel trying to help everyone in the world. So, that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. That being said, guys, markets are looking pretty bullish right now. Now, that does not mean that we can't have a pullback. I mean, we are close to November here, and you guys know what happens in the US every 4 years in November. So we could have a pullback and the dollar could strengthen. But that being said, guys, RSI is kind of having a little divergence, but I'm still not too concerned. I mean, if we get a pullback again to the 38% retracement, I'm going to be looking to add once we get down here and we have a decent confirmation candle. Now, if that is the case, if we pull back right now, which we are, then definitely I'm going to have stops relatively tight, because right here, let's just draw some fibs and see why is it that we stopped there. Let's see if we can figure this out. So just go from here. Alright, so we got to figure out. So the stops are definitely going to be tight, because if we draw the fibs from June 27, 2020, well, that was my birthday, June 27. So the low of June 27 to August 17 of 2020, we have a 61% retracement. That's why, as you guys can see, we stop there, and now we're having a little bit of a struggle, and we might pull back. I mean, if we would pull back, I would kind of like it, because then I'll place some small entry order at about 47 bucks or so. Stop relatively tight. Let's see. So yeah, so if we get pullback, I mean, I'll put maybe I'll do the stops right at 45. Excuse me, guys. So if I do it at 45 bucks and I do my target at 53, my risk to reward is 3.41, which is pretty good. I mean, you guys know that I typically prefer 3.5 to 1, but hey, it's not always perfect, and then, possibly this could rally harder. And if it definitely rallies hard, I mean, if we do, the second target will be, look at this, risk to reward 8.19. So I'm kind of looking for a little bit of a pullback, and then add to the, place a position, a small position, just kind of test the waters and see. Let's take this off for a second, guys, and let's just take this fibs off now that we figure out why we're stopping at about 50 bucks. Let's see. Yeah, so this head and shoulders got completed for the most part. And then we're going to have some decent resistance at the 61% retracement. I mean, we do have some way to go, quite a bit right now, but just kind of play it on the safe side for now. Hopefully stops very tight, like I mentioned, and then just kind of go from there. And then more likely, eventually, if we were to pass the $54 mark, $55 mark, then I will move my stops to break even, just kind of to take the risk off, just in case. Like I said, we are in election year, so just in case something happens. So that being said, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.